Something is happening inside Apple Park right now that wasn't supposed to be public knowledge until today. If you thought 2025 was a big year for tech, you have no idea what Apple just pulled out of their sleeve. We are talking about a total shift in how you use your phone, how you track your life, and even how you interact with reality. For the first time in years, Apple didn't just iterate, they reinvented. And today, we are breaking down every single announcement from the January 2026 event, including the secret "one more thing" that has the entire tech industry in a state of absolute shock. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are planning to buy a new iPhone, a MacBook, or even a pair of glasses this year, stop. You need to hear this first because everything you think you know about the Apple ecosystem is about to change forever. Let's start with the announcement that took everyone by surprise because it wasn't even on the leaked roadmap. In this video, we've been hearing rumors about Apple's second-generation tracking tech. We thought the AirTag was perfect, right? Small, cheap, and it just works. But Apple just proved us wrong. Enter the AirTag 2. But this isn't just a battery refresh. Apple has integrated a brand new, custom-designed N1 networking chip that triples the precision finding range. Imagine being in a crowded airport or a massive stadium, and your phone can pinpoint your keys not just within a few feet, but with millimeter precision from across the building. This is what Apple is calling hyperlocation. But that's not the scary part. The scary part is how they've integrated this into the new Apple Home Hub. Think about your house for a second. We've had the iPad, we've had the HomePod, but we've never had a dedicated command center. Until now. Apple just unveiled a 7-inch, all-display smart home hub that looks like a floating piece of glass on your kitchen counter. It's powered by a modified A18 Pro chip, and it's the first device to run what insiders are calling Home OS. It doesn't just show you the weather, it predicts your routine. Through the new AirTag 2 sensors and the Apple Watch, the house literally knows which room you are in and adjusts the lighting, temperature, and even the music based on your heart rate and mood. It sounds like science fiction, but this is the reality of 2026. But I know why most of you are here. You want to talk about the Mac. And specifically, the chip that is about to make the M4 look like a calculator. The M5 series has officially landed. Apple announced the M5 Pro and M5 Max today, and the benchmarks they showed on screen were frankly hard to believe. We are looking at a 45% jump in GPU performance and a staggering 3.5 times faster processing for AI tasks. Why does this matter? Because of Apple Intelligence 2.0. Apple is no longer just giving you a smarter Siri. They are giving you a system that can literally edit an entire 4K video for you just by you telling it the vibe you want. The new MacBook Pro models coming this spring are using a new SoIC packaging technology from TSMC. In plain English, they are more powerful, they run cooler, and for the first time in 3 years, they are actually getting cheaper to produce, which might lead to the most competitive pricing we've seen from Apple in a decade. Now, let's pivot to the iPhone. While the iPhone 17 series is already out there, Apple dropped a massive Spring Edition update. They've introduced the iPhone 17e. This is the device that's going